Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineers. Myself, Maitri Dave, Assistant Professor from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of the new academic year. I will be teaching you the subject Basic Civil Engineering throughout your semester. The first question comes in your mind is why you have to study this subject, right? Because civil engineers shape the world we live in. They design, build and maintain the infrastructures like reservoir, dam, bridges, roads, tunnels and buildings which we have taken as granted for so long time. But a key role of a civil engineer is to give liable solution of problems which we are facing or going to be faced in future. So now let's explore the importance and applications of basic civil engineering which will directly or indirectly enhance our standard of living. So now let me give a brief idea about the syllabus and its weightage for exam preparation point of view. Here syllabus is divided basically in 5 modules where the weightage of module 1 is 20%. So let's have a glance of the content of module 1 first. So module 1 is all about introduction to civil engineering and materials. To simplify it, first we have to discuss the topics of introduction where we get the idea of branches, scope and role of civil engineering. We also discuss the units of measurement for conversion of units on field while we are buying or selling a plot. Next, we will discuss different materials used in civil engineering, which will give you idea that when and how a material should be used during constructions. Here on screen, you can see the list of materials like cement, concrete, steel, which we will discuss in detail later on. We will understand characteristics of water and wastewater in detail, where we also discuss the standards of water in detail also. Lastly, we will have a glimpse of concept of traffic engineering, which helps us to understand traffic characteristics, also the devices which are used to control the traffic. Now, I will give you an overview of module 2, where the weightage of module 2 is also 20%. So module 2 is all about building planning and town plan. To understand it well, we will divide the topics into 2 parts, building planning and town plan. So the first questions that comes up in our mind, that is it necessary to plan a building? So yes. Then the question, how to make a building plan, or is there any guidelines? So yes, for that we have to understand the basic principle of planning. But for that we have to identify the basic requirements of any building. Even after knowing all the answers of the question is how to explain someone what are the basic requirements of a person for building or buying their dream house is still there. So yes, for that you have to draw your all wishes on paper first. For that the concept of building drawing is there. Now, if I talk about the town plan, so that is the quite bigger and interesting topic that we will discuss later on. But I will like to give you an overview that which are the topics we are going to discuss in town plan. So here we will discuss the principles, necessity, origin and the growth of town. As well as we will understand the concept of land use also. But before that we have to understand that concept of zoning, which is simply dividing the land. Later on, we will throw the light on the topics like low-cost housing, slum and floor space index in detail also. Next, we will discuss the topics of Module 3, which is also having weightage of 20%. Now, this module is all about the building construction and building services. So, let's first understand the building construction. In this, we will discuss different types of building, its components, as well as types of load acting on building. Next, we will go through different types of brick forms and typical layouts also. We will have a glance of different symbols used in building, which will help us in reading building drawings. We will also know the nominal dimensions for different components of building like doors, windows and furniture, which will help us to provide uniformity as well as the maximum utility of area during building construction. Next is building services, where we will discuss the basic requirements of a person to be fulfilled, like plumbing and sanitization. For hygiene purpose, water supply and drainage system should be efficiently provided. Electricity is again the main requirement which comes under this building services. And lastly, we will also discuss different topics like building finishes and HVAC. It means heat, ventilation and air condition related a theory which we'll discuss in detail later on. Now, we will go through the contents of module 4. And here again the weightage is of 20%. So this module is mainly focused about introducing, surveying and labeling in detail. So we will bifurcate it in 5 subtopics for better understanding. As you can see here, these are the topics, that is introduction to surveying, linear measurement, angular measurement, labeling and modern tools. If I talk about the introduction of surveying, it is a key topic when we are discussing about the survey. So, to expertise the branch of civil engineering, one must have to give understanding of term surveying. So, what is surveying? So, surveying is an art of determining relative position of points on, above or below the surface of earth. In simple words, I can say simply marking points on the earth. For that, we have to understand the fundamental principles as well as the classification of surveying in detail. Moving further, if I talk about the next step, that is linear measurement, the question comes why it is required. For an instance, during surveying, you have marked different points on ground, right? So the next step is the connect their points very precisely by using different instruments and methods on ground, which means we will learn all about chaining, offsetting and ranging on plain ground. To continue the learning process, we will discuss angular measurement. So once line is marked on field, then what to do with angles? This topic is also important as linear measurement, as it gives us the exact location of a line on earth. So for that we have to use compass. To understand the overall process, we will discuss the terms like meridian, bearing and local attraction in detail. Next topic is labeling. So what is that? It is all about height. Here we have to identify the label difference between 2 points to know the slope. For that, this term labeling play a key role. For that, we have to go through the list of instruments first as well as the terminologies used for labeling. We will also discuss different types and method of labeling. Last but not least, the concept of contouring plays a major pillar of civil engineering. Now next we will discuss about the modern tools. Every construction tool is necessary to achieve good results in the whole project. We will discuss different modern instruments which currently used in construction are theodolite and total station. While if I talk about the techniques, then we are using GIS, GPS and remote sensing in detail. Lastly, we will discuss the topics of module 5, which is of also the weightage of 20%. Here you can see the beauty of the syllabus of this subject particularly is having the same weightage and equal importance of each topic. So this module is all about the advancement in civil engineering. For this, there is a queue of topic that comes under this module. To be specific, we will going to discuss about the smart city, solid waste management, mass transportation system in detail, as well as we will discuss the concept of rainwater harvesting, watershed management, green buildings, and energy efficient buildings. We will also go through the riverfront developments, heritage structure, and earthquake resistant structure in detail. I hope you all enjoy the journey of exploring basic civil engineering with me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Next.